8 Dining Kitchen Area Design Tips. 1. Don't put the dining table in the middle for easy movement. Install a small kitchen bar and table side shift, making the aisles more spacious. 2. Do not use wooden boards as Fox beams or hanging rail sliding door as it is easy to break. Install a steel frame on the top for durability, thus easy floor cleaning. Make sure the pocket doors wheels is stable. 3. Don't make fancy complicated background walls as it is impractical and wasting your money. Instead, customize the cabinet deck against the wall, can store things up and down and optimize space. 4. Don't do side hanging and light belt as dust is difficult to clean and take care of. Use double eyelid ceilings. Simpler, cheaper, and no more hiding dust. 5. It's hard to clean complicated chandelier design. Choose a modern, simple, light design for easy cleaning. 6. Current dining sideboard open compartments is messy, dusty, and has to be cleaned frequently. Instead, make the cabinets up and down. The middle space, operation table is neat and tidy. 7. Do not protrude the refrigerator to the outside. Build a refrigerator cabinet. Both refrigerator and sideboard cabinets are connected seamlessly with a customized beveled triangle corner cabinet. 8. No kettle on the dining table. Alternatively, the sideboard is installed with a pipeline machine connected to the water purifier for overall clean and minimalist practical design. Follow for more.